On December 10th, 2022, last year, Justin Welsh published a post, build an MVP startup in 27 minutes using just 4 applications, 4 steps. Today, I'm going to execute these 4 steps for you live, and we'll see how it works. So let's go.
Okay, so we are starting step 1, create the main landing page in card.co. Use card.co/pro to get all the pro options for 7 days for free. After we log in and sign up, we need to verify our account. Once we've done this, then we need to create a new site. We are using landing page, so let's choose a template that we feel fits our needs. We click select, and then what we are doing, we're choosing the background. I have this prepared earlier in Canva, so we have a docs. Then we remove all unnecessary elements, all the elements that we don't need here. We just delete all of them, and once we have it, our page will be much more, I would say, transparent. Then put the main title, hire local dog walker, and then we provide subtitle. This is our offer and our main value proposition. Okay, then we have a button, it's call to action. We rename it to walk your dog, and remember about this file later on. We'll use it to attach a dedicated payment link that we will create later on in Stripe. So here we define our URL. It will be needed also at the later stage. So then we click publish, and step 2, create a form page to collect contact data from our clients. This is a page that we will display after the payment is processed, where our customer provides all needed data. Remember to define a form as custom /send to Zapier. Later on, we will be able to send SMS via Twilio. Okay, so what we are doing now, we are choosing a background for our contact form. Let's stay with the same with our docs here. We click save, next, and then the same steps, delete unnecessary elements. Let's fill the title with the proper one. It should be descriptive, so I will walk your dog. Here is our offer that will do it, for a couple of bucks for 20 minutes. Then we need to adjust fields on the form, either remove them, rename them, or add new ones. This is everything that is necessary for us, and we want our customer to provide, so we can arrange a meeting or arrange a walk. So I'm just adding a couple of fields here, like breed, dog name, and so on and so forth. This is our thank you page, so let's just adjust the message. This page will be displayed after we submit the contact form. Okay, so there we go. Click publish, name the site, put the description, and what is very, very important, choose the proper URL. This URL address will be needed in Stripe when we are going to create our payment link. So we type dog walker form. So just remember this, or just note it down. Okay, so we have a page, and we click publish. Once it's done, step 3, we can create a product in Stripe. Stripe is a payment processor. It's really straightforward. So we just click add new product. We define our product. So again, we put a title quickly, then we put a description. Okay, and at the end we upload a photo that is needed here. So then we have payment informations. Let it be 45 USD dollars, one payment, and next we create a payment link to the product. From the Stripe dashboard, we go to create payment link. We define what should happen after payment. See, this is our URL that we are going to paste here, and after that payment it will be just redirected to this form. What is important, copy the link and paste this as URL under the button walk your dog on your main landing page. This is call to action. When someone clicks walk your dog, then it will be redirected to payment. So see, this is how it works. Okay, create a Twilio account so you will be able to send SMS. Okay, it took me around 15 minutes just to go through that whole process. I signed in. There is a couple of days for free. I have my number assigned, and then we go to Zapier to create integration between our contact form and Twilio. We are going to use a feature called webhooks, as there is no direct integration via APIs. So once we choose that, then we choose a dedicated trigger. Just make sure it's proper, and copy that link and insert that to webhook URL on our contact form page. This is information to Zapier when we want to communicate. Then click create a test or create a request. So we can send that request. We go back to Zapier and we can test the trigger. There you go. So we have all the fields that we had on our form. We go next and we create an action. So whenever the form is filled, then we have an action, send SMS in Twilio. You have to put a couple of information when setting up that account here, and integration for Twilio, but this is on a separate discussion. So anyway, once we have that, then we click continue. We define a number that is a sender, the number who is going to receive that message. Just for now, this is me. And then we define our message. Our message is concatenated with a text and then variables. That variables we can choose from the drop-down menu below, and it corresponds to the fields that we define on our contact form. So that's the magic of Zapier, and this is how it works. So choose variables, choose the fields, put them directly in the message box, add text, whatever fits you. So once we have it, we can just choose if you want to have long SMS or short messages. Okay, let's stay with short messages, continue, and then test. There you go. So everything is on place. We have it. We can publish the zip. So we are done with our integration. All right, so we are done. Guys, so what are the lessons learned? The lesson learned that you can get under 27 minutes if you know what you're doing, have all your creatives ready before, have your value proposition earlier defined, and make sure that you have ready active and the following accounts. Stripe, it takes up to 48 hours to verify you, Twilio account, and premium version of Zapier. If you need help, I will support you in setting up this gig, so just DM me and let's have a call. So thank you very much. Bye.